Sleek black caps in satisfying MT3 profile. Durable, classic, and optimized for comfort, there's nothing gray about these white on black keycaps. From the IBM terminal to the desktop, based on the profile form the iconic IBM beam spring terminals of the 1970s, this custom set is fully sculpted in high profile. From its heavily slanted design to the scooped, contoured tops of each cap, the set recreates the feel of vintage keyboards. Doubleshot Legends. As opposed to a dye-sublimation process, these doubleshot legends are permanently molded inside the keycap, thus becoming an integral part of it. This ensures reliable legends and continuity throughout the set. Base kit. Covers full-size, tenkeyless, winkeyless, 60%, 65%, and 75% mechanical keyboards. Specs. Produced by Drop, ABS high-profile MT3 keycaps, doubleshot legends, MX compatible, and fully sculpted based on IBM beam spring keycaps. Compatible devices. Compatible with Cherry MX switches and clones. Top reviews from the United States. The typing profile feels premium. Like. Spherical cup that hugs each keystroke. The aesthetic is clean, very nice. Profile height is in between low and high, more towards high, but it's very comfortable. Easy to adjust from GMK, Cherry OEM. No issue with accidental multi-key press, clean separation for the whole keystroke. The key thickness and soft material makes add some good thought.